Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you another snowflake to crochet, and it's this one. And for this one it's really important to block your work, and if you don't, then the snowflake won't look like this. And for my other snowflakes I glued it. I will show you in another video how to do it to make this snowflake sturdy, because if I want to hang it up like this, you can see that it's not flat anymore. So I am making sure this is nice and sturdy with some textile glue diluted with water, but I will show you that in another video. So this is what I'm going to show you, and let's get started. I'm taking my crochet yarn, it's a cotton yarn, and my crochet hook number 2. First we are making a slip stitch, or a slip knot, I'm sorry, and then we are crocheting 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we are going to make a ring. So in that first chain we are making a slip stitch. I still find it difficult to crochet through my screen instead of on my fingers, to look on my fingers. So sometimes I'm struggling a little bit with crocheting through this camera. Okay, so now we are crocheting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This counts as a triple crochet. In this ring we are making another triple crochet, and I'm putting my finger on the loops on my hook so I can crochet a little bit tight and neat, so there are no big loops. Okay, so this chain 4 counts as a triple crochet, and then we made another triple crochet. Now we are chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in the 4th chain, so skip 1 chain from your hook, we are making a slip stitch. Then crochet 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in this circle make sure you put your tail on top of that circle too, so you are weaving in or you are crocheting your end along with the triple crochets you are making. So in the circle we are making 2 triple crochets. So first we have 1 triple crochet, and then we are making another triple crochet. This is what we are repeating for this row. So chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in that 4th chain we are making a slip stitch, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in that circle, in this ring, we are making 2 times a triple crochet. So this is 1 triple crochet, and then this is the 2nd triple crochet. So continue this until you made 5 of these points, or 5 times the 2 triple crochets, and then I will be back with you when I'm at the end. Okay, so now I have 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 times that triple crochets. And you can see that the end is nice crocheted along with all the triple crochets. So now I'm making sure the triple crochets are evenly spaced in the circle, in this circle. So now we are chaining 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in that 4th chain we are making a slip stitch, and then chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and then in the top of this triple crochet over here, at first triple crochet, we are making a slip stitch. Okay, so now for the next round we are chaining 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then skip 1 chain from your hook, and in that chain below that we are making a slip stitch. Chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and in that 5th stitch here we are making a slip stitch, and then again chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then skip 1 chain from your hook, and then in the next chain make a slip stitch. In the next chain make a slip stitch, and in the next chain make a slip stitch. So we made 3 slip stitches. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then skip 1 stitch, 1 chain, and in the next one we make a slip stitch. Okay. I need to do this again because it wasn't working. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I'm here. So now let's chain 2. 1, 2. Now you have to pay attention because then you work flat, and then you can see this is the very point of your star over here, and this is the first little bump over here that meets this one, and then between those 2 bumps we need to make a double crochet. So if you take this over here, then from the left side count 1, 2, and in a 3rd chain over here we're making a double crochet. So this point will be held together with this double crochet. Now let's chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. In a 3rd chain make a slip stitch. Chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go over this point to the 2 triple crochets, and then in the top of that 2nd triple crochet we are making a slip stitch. And this is how you made your first point of your snowflake. Make sure it doesn't turn on itself, that it has to be nice and flat. Okay, I'll show you one more time how to make this point, and then you continue that for the rest of this row. So first we are chaining 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that 5th chain, make a slip stitch, then chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again in that 5th chain, so skip 1 chain from your hook, and that stitch below, make a slip stitch, then chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From your hoop on your loop, skip 1 stitch, and in the next one make a slip stitch, and in the next one make a slip stitch, and in the next one make a slip stitch. Then chain 4, skip 1 chain, so the chain below that, make a slip stitch, chain 2, 1, 2, and then between those 2 bumps over here in that 3rd chain, you'll make a double crochet. So 1, 2 in the 3rd chain, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In that 3rd chain, make a slip stitch, chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go over this point over here. So this is how your work is looking like now. So go over this point, and then in that 2nd triple crochet on top of that, we are making a slip stitch. So continue making these points, and I will show you how to finish this row, and then your snowflake is done. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and I'm always done with the 6th one. So I made a point over here, that's double crochet, this little bump over here, and then chain 4. And then all we need to do is at the beginning of this row, just make a slip stitch over here. Let's see if I can make it work. And then we are almost done. And cut your yarn, and then pull that yarn through your loop on your hook, and then your snowflake is almost finished. All you need to do now is to block your work, and if you want to make it with the wall hanger I'm making, then you need to make it sturdy with some glue and water, but I'll show you how to do that in another video. So this is what it looks like now, and this is what it looks like after it's blocked. Let's see if I can make it a little bit like this. Okay, so here it is. You need to weave in your ends of this snowflake and then block your work, and then it will look like this. And this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do not want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel and put on a notification so you get a message when I have a new video uploaded on my YouTube channel. And leave a message in the comment box below if you want to say anything about this video, or if you have any questions. I will be happy to read your comments or to answer your questions. So for now, happy crocheting. Bye bye.